Okay, well, I'm kind of behind the gun on this. I didn't think about showing this as a video, but you can see all this concrete inside. I bought a used concrete bucket. It was a rental from our local Bobcat dealer. I've already scaled. I've used the needle scaler, which is what that is if you don't know what it is. I've used it on the face over here. It worked really well. I don't know if you can tell, but that's really smooth. And then I hit it with a DA and that really made it a lot smoother. I'm just gonna hit this thing with some black paint so it looks better. And then it's easier to clean up because of course this was a rental, so nobody gave a shit. I'm also using my hammer drill, and I've just got like a 3-inch wide chisel bit on it, put it on hammer, and it's been working really well. You can kind of see, up underneath there, my screen just went to sleep. You can see underneath here, like this whole thing was kind of like that, all up underneath the lip. As you can see, there's plenty of concrete down the bottom. There's like a tapered lip back there. Got most of that off. I guess I need to clean some inside the chute, but the chute works, all that neat jazz. And these things are, even for a no-name one on eBay, you're spending like $1,700 plus like $300 to ship it. I paid $900 for this in town. I need it for a job coming up. I know a guy that's got one. It's kind of a homemade thing out of a bucket. It works okay, but it's not great. Anyways, I've scaled off the back, scaled off the side, and then I decided to go ahead and use my hammer drill. I used it and shaved off the stuff on the front, and that worked. It seemed like it was a lot faster on the light stuff. I kind of hit it on some of the inside and it was working okay, but I'm going to needle scale it because I just scaled this right there, as you can see where I stopped, and it works extremely well. But then I thought, you know what, I ought to be making a video of this because somebody might want to do something like this, or they may not even know what this tool does. So I'm going to go ahead and set the camera over here. You can kind of see the speed, and then maybe I'll get another camera angle over here to where I can kind of get in there and you can watch the machine go. Anyways, let's get to it. I'll sit you over here on my rolling stairs. Try to get a decent camera angle. And I got a mask. This isn't from Corona stuff. This is because we mow. And this just makes it to where I'm not breathing a bunch of line dust. I've got hearing protection. I was wearing eye protection, but it was foaming up, so we just won't do that. Here we go. Okay, I don't know how long that was, not very long. And there's the rest of that needle scaled off. It's really clean. I mean, it's got just a little bit on it, but probably maybe 30 seconds or a minute with a DA and like some 100 grit sandpaper is what I have. It works really good. I need to get that corner down here. I'm going to try my air hammer and hammer it out because my hammer drill doesn't have a whole lot to it. I thought maybe I could use my hammer drill as a jackhammer. So let's grab that out of the toolbox and we'll try that. me off. How does that work? Okay, we need eye protection because that throws it everywhere. Well, let's try these. We'll try our goggles because that might work better than just a pair of safety glasses, which is what I was using before. And that didn't work great. They kept fogging up real bad. And anyways, and these kind of seal up around, so maybe throwing this dust around might not be bad this way. That's if the ear hammer continues to work, because that blasted that off really good. You can handle all the stuff flying at you. Doesn't fly. Try a different bit. Glasses fogged up. How's that safety? Well, maybe they're not fogged up. The little vent deal is leaving or letting some of the air from the particles in. I thought they were fogged up. They're dusted up. Try something else. How about this? Talking about safety glasses and rough there all in one. Still ain't getting in here. That was. Don't know. Got 25 minutes on the video so far. We've gotten that far with it. Just in a little bit of time. I'm sure I'm going to speed this up if I can figure out, because I'm not very good at making videos yet. But anyways, I need to get that corner down there, this corner, finish off these, get this back wall, whatnot. But that'll show you kind of what you can get out of the needle scaler. And I will go ahead and come back after I get this all done, because I'm sure you don't want to watch me do this for an hour and a half. All right, well, here we go. I didn't do a video of painting it because I figured everybody knows how to use a can of paint. I didn't paint it with anything special. Black Rust-Oleum, nothing big time. It'll be fine. But there's a $900 used concrete bucket that was well used and never cleaned up.